How to update your billing delivery method at our payment portal, PayWoot. 1. Sign in to your account. Click Sign Up/Sign In to log into your account. Type in your email and password. Hit Sign In. 2. Update your details. Once logged into your account, click a profile. Go to Manage Billing Preferences and select Change. Choose how you'd like to receive your bills, by mail, text, or email. Then select Preferred Payment Method and click Save Changes. Your billing delivery method has been updated. Managing bills has never been easier with PayWoot.com.